You ever get that feeling that people are nice to you but not real with you? Like they smile, they laugh, they talk, but something feels off. Yeah, that's because most people aren't actually being honest. They're just being polite. Think about your day. How many times did someone say something they didn't mean or laugh at something that wasn't funny? Even you. You've probably told someone, "Yeah, bro, that's great," when you didn't care at all. Not because you're fake, but because it's just easier. Easier than being awkward. Easier than being honest. So, we all play along.
The thing is, we've been trained to do this. Since we were kids, it's always, be nice, don't hurt people's feelings, just smile. So you learn pretty quickly, being liked matters more than being real. And over time, you get good at it. You adjust how you talk, how you act, even how you think, depending on who you're around. Different people, different version of you.
But here's where it gets uncomfortable. A lot of people don't actually like you. They like the version of you that's easy to deal with. The version that agrees. The version that doesn't challenge anything. The version that doesn't make things awkward. And the moment you step out of that, the moment you say something real or stop trying so hard, you can feel it. The vibe changes, and you start questioning yourself. Did I say something wrong? Did I mess up? But most of the time, you didn't do anything wrong. You just stopped acting, and people aren't used to that. Because realness is uncomfortable. It forces people to drop their own act too, and most people don't want to do that. If you really think about it, a lot of relationships are just mutual pretending. I'll act like I like you act like you like me, and we'll keep things smooth. No conflict, no tension, no honesty, just comfort. And we call that friendship. But at some point, you start noticing it more. The fake laughs, the forced energy, the conversations that go nowhere. And it gets tiring, because deep down, you don't actually want to be liked by everyone. You just want a few people who are actually real with you. And the only way that happens is if you stop pretending first. Not in a rude way, not in a I don't care about anyone way. Just honest. Say what you actually think. Don't force connections. Don't try to impress people who don't really see you anyway. Yeah, you might lose some people, but the ones who stay, those are the ones who are never pretending. So yeah, maybe not everyone actually likes you, but maybe that's not a bad thing. Because the goal was never to be liked by everyone. It was to be real enough that the right people don't have to pretend.